Yima.
Yeah.
Said you see feel on easy.
Catch you myself say unfair.
Yima we are fit. Or pe wasem papa. Or any bra penny George.
Okay.
I'm in now Hamburg.
Okay.
Almost say an payment chow.
I'm a Hamburg bogus.
We Hamburg. Hamburg bogus. Almost say ben chow na no pay. Na men can chow say and ne impeniphone and cassa. No munye tini na say niema nkuyi mom. Eti Minia George on crano media ma Fiifi. I'm so about to the amount impeniphone no more. Say on bet me a solve situation no at the amama. Good morning.
Just 7 years. Okay,
you make a wasam.
You be that person. Bas Nhyira is setting off on the left, on the right to pick up teams that come Budapest. On the 30th of May, Hungary, you know, we have finalized it. Now, any teams that only in common. These two teams have very huge similarities. So, baby to say two coaches are. A big touchline on the day. These are both Spanish coaches. In fact, also it was some link to Football Club Barcelona. Now Mikel Arteta or Barcelona La Masia on to say for Luis Enrique, he was a senior player, played for the club, and went on to become a coach for the club. Now, both teams also last season share in the semi-final of the Champions League. Paris Saint-Germain prevailed in final. Arsenal were out then. This time, it is a bigger axe in the final in Budapest. For the story of Arsenal, it is a near flawless victory. And I think, say, the Bible final, you know, we will begin to get the clear picture of whether Arsenal's pathway was the best or Paris Saint-Germain's pathway is the best. And in explaining Arsenal for pathway, it was almost 30 years, up till now, we lose a single match or Champions League. But for Paris Saint-Germain, they did not even qualify to the automatic spots. To the extent that Enrique say, in as much as someone had automatic qualification, he still believes, so the club Paris Saint-Germain is better. They were better then, they are better now, also than any club here in Europe. You don't get that confidence from.
And you're not great.
And then because say, and your confidence in you is a keke. You get that confidence. This is what you. And you believed it. You believed it.
Last year, grass almost unqualified.
No, last year
the playoffs.
Yes, the playoffs. Almost started restaurant, still got. Then they went through to the final. It's maybe in very case reshaping and writing the particular plan and the both Champions League in a new era. Maybe you don't necessarily have to qualify to the knockout because the biggest reward I will have from qualifying through the automatic spots and it's you play less games. But if you have a deep squad, no one see a quality here. You can afford to play more games and then still go on and go and play in the next year of the competition. It's the kind of excitement Paris Saint-Germain as a club, Edema France for. I don't think that can be quantified. Because when you get to France, like L'Equipe puts it calls it plaisir total. Essentially, total pleasure. As a country, as Parisians, as people of that country, they are more. You ask yourself, when was the last time bar Paris Saint-Germain? Any club from France, a dominating Europe, say, winning of the Champions League. It was Marseille. Then later on went to play in the Europa League final. They played against Atletico Madrid. Atletico Madrid get shown J. The name Paris Saint-Germain have changed 10 things around to get to where they've gotten to as a club. And then they won. It's they be asking Meka. Football and for some of us, it's the reason why we love the game. And so much that if you don't take care of you more on a try, you underestimate the importance of the lessons you get from watching football. It's when the Paris Saint-Germain starts. Neymar, Messi, Sergio Ramos, Ibrahimovic, the big names, name them. And you maybe never create a dumping site for players are almost got the twilight of my career, but still they want to stay in Europe.
David Beckham,
David Beckham,
PSG.
Ronaldo,
Yeah.
These guys when they rich Saudi players in common. Don't forget even the quality coaches that have gone to coach there. Carlo Ancelotti, Thomas Tuchel, big names. They could not deliver it to the Parisians. They could not give it to Nasser Al-Khelaifi. The club had to restructure. In fact, for them, they had built a formidable team around Kylian Mbappe. It got to a point where Paris Saint-Germain as a club, they were begging Mbappe to stay. Pushed it, asked them, convinced them, boy, and I said, the chapter at Paris Saint-Germain is done. Now, Genesis Okoko play with Madrid. Madrid will give him a better chance at winning the Champions League than Paris Saint-Germain.
Because you are Sabri Abraham or Jane.
Obviously, there will be some ifs. But Mbappe is young. So there will be more opportunities for him.
Because player are not untouchable.
Yeah.
You are the face of the club.
Yeah.
Abraham tells you, look, maybe I'm a born on my bedroom. I have to move on.
Yeah.
Madrid bet me a mammy Sadia.
Yeah.
Bet me a mammy Champions League. Ballon d'Or bet me a mammy.
Yeah.
Me free club no more ya. Club not the Champions League back and also our final.
Yeah. Okay.
Madrid now me fools will bet me the Sadia na mammy.
There are two players who are known for that. One, Ibrahimovic. Ibrahimovic free club in the other club na the Champions League. Onye two twice ya na club na the Champions League.
You nana.
When is Antoine Griezmann in the Spanish La Liga ni bida? O two fi Atletico Madrid call Barcelona na Atletico aje. Then came back again, Barcelona won it. So also for him, there are players like that. I hope that is not the story of Mbappe in the Champions League by the time of his career. Because Rich, when he's from Nhyira, he can first start saying almost small arguments. They say, when you look at Mbappe, you compare him to Mbappe and then Dembele. Today, Dembele is ahead of him. There were times at time when we were young, Dembele from Rennes and then Dortmund. Rich, he was the toast of French football. Obi only French youthful football Obi could mention Dembele before Mbappe. Now Mbappe may sign life, the injuries of Dembele, the problems of the fitness, no one attitude. In later interviews, although admitted any attitude, any one in succeeding at Barcelona. Now today, Dembele has come on top 3 years ago. There was no way you mention Ballon d'Or, mention Dembele, and not mention Mbappe, or you don't mention Mbappe before Dembele. But then that is the story. In the Ballon d'Or conversation, there was no Kylian Mbappe game, and Dembele looks like he's going straight to go and play in the final of the Champions League and possibly go on to go and win. Which, see, yesterday I told you something. Club Ibia versus San. It takes 1-2 men to change. It doesn't take too many. It doesn't take too many changes. It takes specific, intentional changes. And this is a club to go and win. Tell me Paris Saint-Germain for you imagine. And I think that Paris Saint-Germain were forced into that decision. They wanted to keep Mbappe. But Abraham Mbappe said, regardless. No. They knew that no. We can't go and invest that money. Whatever it is, your sponsorship deals this animal. In no way to look for another Mbappe to come and run over us. Which I think that was the job of Abantia, your friend Luis Campos and Louis Enrique. As experienced as they are, they could go to Nasser Al-Khelaifi and tell him, say, hey, you know, Mbappe is a top player. But it's also important to note, say, in the football, things are beginning to change. And sometimes you need 11 players. They are willing to work hard on and off the ball to be successful. Rich, 4 teams that go semi-final. None of them. None. None of them. And only one player are building a team around. Atletico Madrid don't build a team around just one player. Guglielmo Simeone presse. How could we both here? We need dwells. Musu. Who mentioned Loriente? Everybody works hard. Then you go to the Arsenal team. It's not built around one man.
All round team.
All round. center back, goalkeeper, midfield, attack, all together. Then go to the buying team. Attack, solid, midfield, good enough. At the back, issues there, but then top goalkeeper, all round. Then Paris Saint-Germain with the best star-studded side. Fiifi now. Look at Jean Neves. Look at Vitinha. Look at even the role of Zaire Emery. Wait, I was going through my Twitter and I realized it's 3 years ago, on this side of the studio. We were talking about Zaire Emery, the young boy from Paris Saint-Germain's academy, and the importance of his role in the team. The little Edinburgh Paris Saint-Germain team, it was perfect.
No born in
Yes.
Go na me Jones obet me abo.
Hey, wine is good.
Amaka say in the position and kasa obo.
Wine is good. It's for me, Paris Saint-Germain, it has come down to 2 gentlemen that have gotten the job done when it comes to how well they've been able to progress through the ranks at Paris semi-final, winners and semi-final. Also in the Champions League, this is how many games Awabo and the success that he has had as a manager and Abrantia, your friend Louis Enrique. Which see, football tactics, India is probably the most exciting thing for me. Boom. And I'm saying this also having in mind, say in terms of football stories, you can't take them out, even if you only tactics in Kongona. No matter how you build a team, tactically you should approach the game to say chess you, send you more damn you. Regardless of everything, buying for attack on every game also. In fact, by the 6th minute, you could tell say Olise was off color. You could tell say Luis Diaz wasn't really himself. Jamal Nhyira was taking a long time to really impose himself in the game. It's not ending. Now say, but I think that also came from the work of Paris Saint-Germain and the defensive organization, not just deep or in mid-block, but high. Because watch the game now, from the blast of the whistle, Snap PSG for game plan of say they now pass the ball and they go long and play it out. It is to exert pressure and set the tempo of the game. Until once they did that and they begin to set the tempo, they began to press. And Honda only could not hold on to the ball. Then they constantly press them, counter press them, and then make sure they stay in the game as long as possible. Which immediately the goal came in the 10 minutes. And I said, nah.
Which goal, man? I'll blame the entire Bayern team. I won't blame the defense alone.
Blame Dio.
No. Ode she time I can say Osman Dembele bobo on the internet. Look at the space. Nobody available.
Yeah. But Maris, the very first thing. It was buying an equitable. And then Paris Saint-Germain take the possession over. And let us not forget, who's a no TVs and company. Listen, I say the game will change based on your best goal. Say buying Shegua or say Tua, you expected that they will set off. So Paris Saint-Germain saying the first goal that they will set off. But because Bayern were chasing the game, they were playing at home, they expected to score. That is why
me blame the entire team. Do you know why?
Yeah.
So we a coach. When you say discussions on me, and I only a chief with me. Head the Vincent company about Saudi in mind. Knowing very well, say, look, Paris Saint-Germain are Orban already or one good at that. Which game now Orban? So Orban onya another goa and my game near the Mabayan. And Orban. Ne game plan na say game na ye kono ye kwa at least yencha first goal to unsettle Bayern whatever tactics ni be game plan do omudi baby so that time a game no emu ye dia Bayern enya goal ni bi nche na no no supporters no will turn against them and ebemi yenya the ample time to play a normal game ni a manage game na dia pon that is why I make us say fine we no okuta ball but we nja wachi sa
you see. That is how Bayern plays.
The space was too.
You see, that's the thing. Who's the last thing they can say? Michel, say more. Say Oshana will lose here. People react to it. Tell my Bayern Kobo Sabon. I say, hey, total football. I told him that those people who are saying those things are not Bayern fans. And then this is what the regular Bayern fan will be feeling.
I'm not the anymore for now.
You see, so for me, it was Paris Saint-Germain's good work also. So Bayern, if they can go find the Champions League next season and beyond that, they need to look beyond Upamecano and Jonathan Tah.
And
because Which only at the highest level, there are too many technical players in the attack for you to have a defender on your flexible, on your agile, on team turn it quickly and then close down players. I felt that the ball that Abante friend of Victor Koreskelia a ball to the wide area and make the run, it should have been a foul. And Sanka Upa a foul Victor there and then. It was very early in the game. Maybe he wouldn't have gotten a yellow card, but he should have given him a foul. So nobody moved from there. Once the ball went behind him, they were obviously going to score. Now, really in the second half that, for me, made me really give him all of the respect. And this is the job of Paris Saint-Germain for in the lead up to make sure say Omobe on set team friend Paris Saint-Germain. When the ball comes wide, Fabian Louis ball. And the plan is constantly use this side of our branch friend Michael Olise because they know for sure. Say the work rate of Michael Olise in pressing in this side is not the best, and they pull him out. Now Shobia Luis Diaz. Before Luis closes on Abete for Luis, the ball goes into the middle of the park, and then they progress the ball from there. Quick 1-2 pass, and look at Jonathan Ta, look at Dario Pamecano. Which they were in behind, and then the first goal did come from Abantia, your friend Usman Dembele. This boy deserves a lot of credit, man.
They're going to go for Georgia.
Now, I'm hearing a story.
If we can imagine, say, a brand you could free Spain B,
yeah.
Germany B, England B, Portugal baby.
Yeah.
We play out.
Yeah. Now, Barry,
because a player pan torment you.
Yeah.
Tormentor.
Rich again. Say, we a football player, an Audi boy, and you want something to inspire you. The story of Victor Koreskelia should be one of them as well. Which means that Ofi the Chrome Georgia or Russia, Bobo. Now during the Russian-Ukraine war invasion, around that time, FIFA gave the chance. Says a way foreign national of Russia now will give one, but you can terminate your contract and leave. It's for 2 seasons. No Victor Koreskelia Bobo in Russia one cup, but not Russia just 3 goals in 27 matches. Later on, he decided to leave the club. To the extent that and found Russia, he had to go back to Ukraine, Georgia. Which it was there, that was when the sporting director of Napoli at the time, Christian Guntoli, led by the owner Aurelio De Laurentiis, exporting. And Aurelio tells the story so nice. So he was told by a boy from Georgia. I want to tell us, we'll be from Georgia, and then Guntoli had gone to watch the boy, and someone find him. Which he helped Napoli win the Scudetto after long years without it. And we went to Paris Saint-Germain. Because forces you be Ballon d'Or Comona, you find can be.
Sure.
You know this man they building kwa. People believe strongly. So Victor Koreskelia this season has to be in there in a shout for the Ballon d'Or, especially so we team unity team, unity team a friend Arsenal and get a job done. Which for Bayern, I think it was a good one. The season in itself was good. They need to learn from it. Now, to the things that happen in the game. Refereeing issues now. It's only the biggest problem with refereeing in the world and in Europe and in the world at large. The word inconsistency in the application of the rules.
As a
clear the rules, no, and clear or English Premier League. And then the same thing as in Champions League. It keeps on changing. So the clarity of the rule is a big question. And I think that I found any FIFA need to sit down and then define foul ball, penalty in the clearest of terms. It shouldn't be ambiguous. You can't say profoundly ambiguous. It has multiple meanings and is unclear. It has to be clear cut. So we are all sharing what you say, I need a penalty. Yesterday's this ball, it wasn't a penalty. For 2 reasons, in my opinion. One, it is from 2 of the same players.
Yeah.
And one is
which Emranica.
Yes, the law is very explicit on it. Again, the proximity of Abrantia friend Vitinha and John Neveson. Again, he can't react. There's no reaction time. Plus, player on Kita Wall, not only friend of Kita Wall, there's the natural reaction to him. So for me, that wasn't a penalty in itself at all. And of course, referee was clear. If you look at the handball rules, it states clearly a handball offense is not committed when a player kicks the ball to another part of his own body or hits his arm off, unless the balls go directly down. I mean, it's very, very clear in that regard. Now, this is where people have a big question. the possibility of a second yellow card in Abrante, your friend Nuno Mendes. I saw say no the CBS for in a different angle that they think the referee saw and VAR also saw say ball the kind of ball corner line and sack in an earlier scene before say remember Abrante friend John Evans and okay yeah this is the scene over here at Princeton and Yamami was you could tell say ball the car Abrante friend corner line and sack in the control before say remember Abrante your friend Nuno Mendes and so then it could not be that by for any
no matter who ayi always money ayi VIP or my rough
who is in Germany. I don't know why other places don't do it. Even in the Champions League, Germany for 1 year, their sporting directors are on the bench. It's not Christoph Wayne was on the bench. It's actually seen it's all now. All I know what is ginger hair or say on red, but that's on red cardigan is very nice.
No, I'm just like it's
very. No, I like the cardigan. If anybody is in Germany, now or Allianz or buy mini quorum, no, obey me and sa cardigan red one buying the any nice. It's a red. This one has a style, and the other black one. I love it so much, and only one is AP by. It wasn't the day of Michael Olise. Sometimes it happens, right? I think that was all the days. It was just off color.
Oh, me penasem. But oya Rafael Yaudini. As we are quadro. And me bam. See, any one match.
We are this young woman.
So our Brantina, I say, Opeso a young man boss, Opeso, or entertaining fans and so bad. See, also in a game in a game on here goes. Entertainment, you know, Yanni Bibrisa. As we go to tap one more beyond the born about it. I don't have quite for Bono, and then inside. Like onye bibia mo aban team ni bim and na me no board in Bonobo only say I mean fantastic player but on fasa na no entrance for the week especially in the game on here go
whilst you're running up I don't know what I want to say is that I think it's just one match. I think it's young to me where I think a second full season of Olise in Europe. It will come the boy is an exciting talent.
I'm for say munye sa comparison ni bi.
One.
Only Lamia man, as we die.
Oh, after one match.
No se kan pe mu bai. Na nkia to so with that argument, you know.
Which don't omani said no so ntakrache. Lami no oye next level. It's only obi am be compare say Chelsea for one
there's no best standard.
Yes, Chelsea for one can stand out by. Any adiebu. Don't go for Olise aba. Olise dey no konkon ho. But na basa for me Lamine Dembele na.
Me maka chem say Lamine Yamal.
Da bi basa for me Lamine Dembele na.
Lamine Dembele.
Ano me Lamine Cavaradona. On be bia na. On come from Paris Saint-Germain. Say Chelsea dey buy for the one new games say. Okay. The second half, the very best thing I saw Sebi do was to drop the line with our branch friend Nuno Mendes and then invert into the middle of the park with Wines and congratulations to Paris Saint-Germain, especially our branch friend Marquinhos and all of the players that won back-to-back finals. And these are the gentlemen. Our branch friend Luis Campos, Luis Enrique, and of course, the assistants. No, they've done an excellent job. Rich, and then there are some games in the Europa League and the Conference League. Last week, Europa League, the Conference League games, that was very exciting. Freiburg, Echo away from home. Braga bought 2-1. We expected a goal, it came through. Yeah, this is a game that I know that the goal will fall again. And then Aston Villa playing against Team Friend of Forest. Villa want to go to the final. You know, I expect in this competition. It's a game that I'm expecting that both teams will score. In the Conference League, Team Friend of Strasbourg, Elusuya 1-0 away in Madrid to rival Vallecano. And then of course, Crystal Palace Coco share Team Friend of Shakhtar Donetsk and the return legs consulti. Mamma coach Kaka. Na only a team for Fanco Fikasim. Coach no already say follow on all the social media handles Fiifi Manfred, Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, WhatsApp channel Nhyira. By now you've had it, but so she Nhyira if you're outside the country, Mamini can inform wa wait me take a screenshot and answer over sure now I'll go try. It's first one a BW 541941104. Second one a BW 541941104. 54149B94. Third one BW 5414858. Fourth one BW 541480306. Fifth one BW 540DF39C. And the last one BW 540DA47D. Rich.
Okay, Kofi.
Yeah,
yeah, that's about Kofi. Before Abakono, Nidina Crown, he was a friend Daniel Bain. Also, Mini Krumo.
We are carrying
And also be audio Bibaba.
and then promising fees in
Oh, I don't think so. You promise
Hey,
me.
Danny.
Send go make up.
Danny,
Also, child, we'll get you one. I'm in Munich. Okay. And dear child.
Also, one am
Oh, so we can't request answer. I'm made the request. It's here they have to say a baby.
okay, so Danny don't treat you no more.
Is it a new dance? I think I see.